Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your GoDaddy login password. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to GoDaddy's official website, which is www.godaddy.com, and make sure that you are logged into your GoDaddy account. Once you have logged in, click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. From here, click on the option saying View, which is inside the Pin option, as well as which is below your username and customer ID. After you have clicked it, you will be redirected to this page, which is known as Login and Pin. So scroll down for a little bit and you will see the option saying Password. So simply click on the option inside it saying Edit. Now over here, you have to enter the current password as well as the new password. And once you have entered the current password as well as the new password that you want to update it with, click on the option saying Save. And your password has been updated successfully. So this was it guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment down if you have any query. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.